Alright, let's see how well this works out. This is Tom from DWN Productions, and I'm going to show you how to strap and re-strap your mask, I guess. Just a fucking bullshit scrap piece of latex. Piece of old elastic. A set of snaps, pops, I don't know what the fuck they're really called. I think snaps are what I search for, I don't know. These things, look for them. Someone will reply and say, they're called this, you fuck. And then we'll all say, oh, thank you. Also need a pair of cuticle scissors, nice poker. A post will help. You can usually get these in your packs of whatever the fuck they're called, snaps or whatever. And then a nice window smashing hammer. So, first thing, this is going to be in reverse too, because I'm going to show you how to take this off. So if you need to put a smaller or bigger strap on your mask, just do this in reverse. Make a hole in there. Make a hole in there. Take this piece, put it through your hole in the latex, put your elastic on there. Man, that would have been fucked if I would have knocked this thing over. It is barely on there. It's on the edge of the table on a cardboard tube. Sorry, I wasn't looking. You stretch it over, put the elastic down in there, see, like that, and you take this piece, put it on there like that, so you got the elastic sandwiched in between those two pieces. Hold the edge down with your fingers, take your post, put it in that center gimmick. I usually give it about 3 good whacks, and then it's on there. Now to get it off, be gentle with it so you don't tear the latex, and just kind of pull it out from the sides. Once you get it all around, pull it a little more and just kind of ease it out of there. See how it's starting to come through the other side? Just be careful with it and it'll come out. Sorry, I keep pulling back. See? There it's out. You still got your little hole, and then use the same hole and piece of elastic, or get a new piece of elastic or whatever. Use the same hole. Blah blah blah. Whatever. DWNProductions.net, boygob.com. Thank you. Goodbye.